We're in the Ouseburn and we're standing in front of our new development here, and we're very, very, very pleased with it. But this is the first new build housing in this part of the Ouseburn for, well, over a century.
It's 42 apartments built on the side of a hillside which has been soil nailed and rock nailed. After the rock nailing was done, we did extensive piling, and then we started to do the foundations, incorporating the retaining walls.
The site itself has been very challenging. The site was contaminated. It's obviously a very steeply sloped site that we've dug into. We then had issues in terms of archaeology, listed bridges in the background, its conservation area, English heritage were heavily involved, along with archaeological investigations. So there's been a number of factors, not necessarily to compete with, but to take on board and try and address. We've had a number of archaeological investigations, and as part of that found the line of Hadrian's wall, which was one of the sort of precursors in terms of the design of the building.
It was all very interesting seeing the soil nails and stuff going in with the gap in where the Roman wall came down the hill. And on the roof garden, we've followed the path of the Roman wall in riven stone paving, so that you can walk along the path of the Roman wall on the roof garden.
We've tried to combine a modern architecture in some of the elements whilst addressing English heritage's desires to address the industrial aesthetic of some of the surrounding Ouseburn area. So the 5-storey block is effectively a modern interpretation of a warehouse frontage, whereas some of the other elements are incredibly modern.
The bridge pier, which is only millimetres away from our retaining walls, this had to be done gingerly. Highways were involved where the bridge foundation was. It was mainly resembling cinder toffee. It was just virgin stone, rumbled stone. We retained it round, we built a retaining wall, and I believe the date of that bridge is 1869, and the bridge is still there.
So the earthwork solutions were quite a major part of the job, but only by incorporating those has it enabled us to fit the development on the site and open up the front of the site to create the views, the atmosphere, and also the sense of green space at the front of the building.
Yeah, after the archaeologists had vacated the site, we came across a chiselled out water trough. One of the archaeologists believes it's 2,000 years old. It is going to be displayed somewhere up where Tony the architect is going to pick a spot, but it has been hand chiselled out. It is handmade.
Oh, it's been great. It's been, I mean, I've been to most of the site meetings. It's been good humoured. We've faced challenges and we've faced them together. And it's the process of building, once we've started, has been an absolute joy because everyone's worked together on it. It's been really positive.
It's been a collaborative project. It's needed a lot of input from each party, and I think all parties have been very creative in their problem solving. Without each individual party that was involved, I don't think the project would have happened, not least of which it's taken a fair amount of inspiration on behalf of the client to push this forward to deliver it. By the same measure, in terms of the actual physical contracting, it's been a very demanding project and a demanding site, and it's needed a skilled contractor to deliver the scheme of quality that hopefully I believe that we've got.